Today, I finally have the pleasure to share with you an unbelievable record. I was so happy when I received it. As soon as it was available, I immediately ordered a copy, and I'm psyched about it. This is an incredible project, full of, I would say, it radiates pure energy, pure groove and positivity. The title is Beautiful Souls by Walterino. And the Dukes, released on Armonica Records. This record blends soul, funk, and disco energy in a modern, feel-good sound, I would say, that reminds us of how we fell in love and why we fell in love with music. Every track celebrates a connection, friends, love, and the simple joy of dancing all night long, I guess. So let me turn it up and let's dive into this one. Streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy.
Laughter
Walterino, Beautiful Souls, what an amazing project. I met Walterino a couple of months back and we were talking about like soulful music and some of the projects he was working on, but I had no idea he had this in the works. So it's an amazing record. Tons of beautiful tracks I can't get tired of listening to, and we have been spinning this on rotation here at XYZ, you know, almost every day, I would say. Walterino, well done. What a wonderful release.